What is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to Motorsports RX. We are back out at Test and Tune on another beautiful, not so sunny Thursday night. We are gambling with rain at the moment. I've been watching the weather all afternoon. I think it's going to go around us, so I think we're going to be okay. Got to meet Brad DeBerti today. That was awesome. Also, shout out to Brad. Thank you so much for the poster, the picture. And by the way, my previous video, if it gets 100 likes, I'm going to go do a burnout in Brad DeBerti's driveway. So there's that. So if y'all want to go back and just smash a like on that one, that'd be kind of cool. We're going to get to the testing and tuning and watching some fast cars, race cars, do some passes. And hopefully it's going to cool off really nice because it's really humid right now. Hopefully it's going to cool off really nice and we'll have a real nice cool evening to watch some racing. I love y'all. Thank y'all for 900 subs, by the way. And I'll see y'all in a little while. That was a solid rip though. He burned out the whole track. Well, typical Carolina, it popped up a storm like I figured, but I'll flip the camera. Well, actually, no. You can see it's blue skies there. I'm hiding in the building because I just had my drone out and it started raining and I about had a heart attack. But there's the storm. It's going to the north of us, so it should not rain for long. Everybody's running away, but hopefully we're gonna be back to racing not too long from now. I hope, because there's still hope. Just not that way. We will see. I think it's going to Well, going in the order of the footage, it quit raining long enough for one car to run, and now we're back to raining and lightning. So this might do it today. I love you guys. Thank y'all so much for stopping by and watching. Thank y'all for 900 subscribers. I might be doing a back-to-back day of filming, so this could be an interesting week. Anyway, guys, I love y'all. Hey, always remember, count those blessings, because none of us are promised tomorrow. Always be kind to somebody, because you never know what somebody's going through. I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.